I'm gonna go get some friggin' Captain D's.
Hey Marcus, where are you going?
Oh, hey Peter, what's up?
Nothing much, man. Just chilling. What about you?
Nothing much. I'm just heading to get me some friggin' Captain D's.
Captain D's? We should order up some Domino's. They've got that mix and match for $5.99 a piece deal.
Domino's? Why? I'm gonna go get me some friggin' Captain D's. Did you know that their full meal deals are expertly crafted by an actual chef? And best of all, they start at just $4.99. I mean, you'll find fan favorites like the fish and 8-piece butterfly shrimp meal, or the delectable chicken and fish tenders meal, which features 2 chicken tenders and 2 fish tenders, by the way. Huh. And they just introduced their new home-style flounder meal. That sucker has 2 pieces of light and flaky flounder coated in a light and crispy home-style breading. You can customize each full meal deal with your choice of 2 sides and hush puppies. That way, it's easy to enjoy the seafood you crave at a price you'll love. It's gotta be D's.
Look, Marcus, I completely understand what you're trying to say, but Domino's Pizza offers crunchy, thin crust, pan, and darn classic hand-tossed pizzas with a wide variety of toppings. Side items include breadsticks, stuffed cheesy bread, Cinnasticks, wings, and boneless chicken. They also proudly serve icy cold Coca-Cola products. Domino's has expanded its menu significantly to include Domino's American Legends specialty pizzas, oven-baked sandwiches, penne pasta, and chocolate lava crunch cakes. In late 2009, Domino's debuted its inspired new pizza, a permanent change to its core hand-tossed product, reinvented from the crust up with new sauce, cheese, and garlic seasoned crust. They have the amazing new mix and match deal. You can choose any 2 or more items for only $5.99 a piece. That's a deal. You can even select to make one of your mix and match items a handmade pan pizza for just $2 more. Get the door, it's Domino's. Domino's is a lot better than Captain D's, I'd say.
Hey man, I'm sorry again about that. I guess I did get a tad bit out of control.
Oh, that's okay, Marcus. I probably had it coming. Hopefully it'll grow back soon.
Well, you know what, man? I'm gonna make it up to you. Let's get us a Domino's pizza. Alright, I got the number ready. Let's do this.
Okay, it's gonna be 1524.
1524?
1524.
I ain't paying that. Screw you.
And 1721.
Hey, I'm sorry. We could do 15.
21.
My name is Stop Screwing Around and Bring Me My Freaking Pizza.
Okay. That'll be about 15 to 25 minutes.
Okay, can I make a request, please?
Okay.
Do you have any worms that you can put on the pizza?
Sorry, what?
Worms. Like those little snake-like things that crawl around after a big storm or something? Alright, thanks, man.
Okay. Thank you.
Hey, is that him?
Yeah, here he comes. Hey man, are those my $5.99 mix and match 2-topping pizzas? You know you can mix and match any 2 mix and match menu items for $5.99 each. 2-topping pizzas, specialty chicken sandwiches, pastas, and more. And just added the brand new marbled cookie brownie. Awesome. Did you know pizza is an amazingly popular food? In just the U.S. alone, pizza is a $35 billion a year industry. There are over Whoa! Okay man, see you later. What was his problem?
Alright, let's dig in. If I can just get this thing open. Alright, there we go. Alright, here we go. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, jeez. Smacked. Oh god. Oh, this is so good. Oh yes, I want to mix and match. I still say we should have gone to Captain D's.